In this video, you will see how to remove section break in Word. You can remove section break one by one or all at once. To delete section breaks in Word document, first you need to go to the Home tab, and here you will see the option of Pilcrow icon. First you need to see the section breaks in your document. After clicking on this icon, you will see these Pilcrow icons along with the section breaks. As you can see, now we can see the section breaks. Now to delete these section breaks, you need to go to the search tab here and click on replace. You will see this find and replace window. In the first box, hold and press shift and press 6 on your keyboard to type the caret and then type B. So in this way it will find the section break in your document. And here you can see how many section breaks are there. So we have total 3 section breaks, 1, 2, 3. And to replace or delete this section break, you just have to click on the replace button. So one is gone. And similarly, if you want to delete all the section breaks in one click, then click on replace all and all the section breaks will be deleted. If you don't want to remember this caret B, you can click on the drop down and select section break. This will also insert the caret B in the search box. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Microsoft Word. Subscribe and press the bell icon.